Hey there, it's Nick from Ruly. In this video, I'll show how to configure form section settings. Here we are on an employee form. As you can see, there are multiple different sections on the form to break up the information. To edit a form section, click the gear icon to enter edit mode. The Properties button at the top is for editing the form as a whole. To edit individual sections, click the pen icon that appears when hovering over a section. You can also add a new section by scrolling to the bottom of the form and typing in a new section name. Sections can also be reordered by drag and drop. Let's edit a section. Here you can change the name of a section. Display the fields in one or two columns. Choose to display an icon beside the section name. Collapse the section by default by turning this toggle on. Display the section as a tab by default with this toggle. Or add visibility rules for further customization. Let's try displaying a section as a tab. When turning this toggle on, another field displays, allowing you to choose a new name. Here we see the payroll info now displays as a tab. Multiple sections can be grouped together in one tab. Let's try grouping together payroll info and address. To do this, we have to configure both to display as tab, and name the tab the same thing. Let's name this tab Personal Info. Here we see there is now a tab called Personal Info, and if we click on it, we see the two sections. Let's try making a section collapse by default. For the Pictures section, let's turn on the collapse toggle. Here we see the section is now collapsed by default. The first field in the section displays within the section title as a preview. You can also manually collapse sections. Let's try adding buttons to sections. Let's add an email button to the Personal Info tab. This button can be used to send an email to this employee from the form. To do this, go into Edit mode and click on the plus icon beside the buttons at the top of the form. I'll select Employee Email. Now let's click the pen icon at the top of the button. I'll select Tab as the location, and then select Payroll Info. Here we see when we click on the tab, the Employee Email button displays. Let's show adding the button to a section. I'll add the button to the Pictures section. Here we see the Employee Email button is now displayed within the Pictures section. Thanks for watching.